Hi, today I'm for the Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see ring and notification volume panel. So to mute notifications we should mute this volume panel by slide to the left side this dot. But by this way you'll mute not only notifications but also the ringtones, and if you want to stay with the ringtones and to mute only the notifications, I just suggest you to unmute this volume panel and just scroll down to the notification sound section and switch your currently sound just to none. And by this way we'll mute our notifications but we will stay with the ringtones. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.